ZenBusiness is all about making entrepreneurship simple and stress-free. Their platform offers a streamlined way to register your LLC, handle compliance, and even manage your finances, all in one place. And the best part? They're currently offering LLC setup for free, just pay state fees. Even better, if you go with a higher package, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. First off, ZenBusiness simplifies the legal process. No more headaches over paperwork or state requirements. Their platform walks you through everything step by step. On top of that, they offer free registered agent services for the first year, ensuring your business stays compliant. And if you're worried about staying organized, ZenBusiness has tools for that too. First, head to the ZenBusiness website and click on Start Your LLC. Next, you'll answer a few simple questions about your business name, location, and type of industry. ZenBusiness will check your business name's availability and guide you through the required state filings. After that, you'll choose additional services like a registered agent, worry-free compliance, or domain name registration. Then, you're ready to submit. That's it. You've started your business. The dashboard includes tools for tracking expenses, creating a business website, and even managing payroll. Plus, their compliance reminders ensure you'll never miss a deadline. So why choose ZenBusiness? Simple. They combine affordability, simplicity, and reliability. And with free LLC setup, it's a no-brainer for new entrepreneurs. So there you have it. Setting up your LLC has never been easier. ZenBusiness is your partner for every step of your entrepreneurial journey. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description and set up your LLC for free today. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips and resources for entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.